Hey sisters, today I'm going to be drawing this really cute character with a heart t-shirt saying whatever. It's so cute. So now, I'm just coloring in the hair and I'm going to work from top to bottom. And you can see that I used a gray layer first and then I did a brown so that the hair becomes more darker. And on that other page where you see those little blobs of ink is where I swatched some of my colors to see how they would come out. And if they would be the color which I wanted them to be. And now I'm just coloring in the skin, and I'm using a lighter brown for that. And because of the lighting, you may not see the difference between both of the hair and the skin, which is a bit annoying. And by the way, I did draw this character myself. Nobody else drew it because nobody can. I did this at 2 a.m. so that's why the lighting is really bad, because, you know. And on this page, I'm just seeing what colors would look really good for the outfit. I still wasn't really sure. So you see I've done it. I had the heart idea in mind, so I just drew that. And because I've had many things go wrong when I'm drawing a character, like I put the wrong color in the wrong place. So that's why, what I do now is I always swatch my colors and see what it's going to look like for an outfit. And now I'll just put the lamp on the page so that you can see it better. You can see I did a lot of combinations and many of them did not work, so that is how this tip will help you a lot, because if I did like maybe like an orange color, I wouldn't have liked it, and so that's why I did a yellow. And this character kind of reminds me of Mentos. Don't know why. The shoes, and now I'm doing the eyes. And I always like to add a lot of colors to the eyes, because like they look really pretty that way. And then I just do some little highlights of white into the drawing and an outline on the t-shirt. So that's what it looked like, guys. I hope you liked the drawing, and I hope you liked my top tip. And see you soon, guys. Till the next video.